Hola, and welcome to today's lesson. We are going to talk about agua. Agua means water in Spanish. Can you say that? Say agua. Agua. Great job. If we want to ask somebody, do you want water? We would say, ¿Quieres agua? Do you remember learning that in the last lesson when we were asking for food? Well, it's the same way to ask someone for a drink. So, ¿Quieres agua? Can you say that? ¿Quieres agua? Do you want water? And you can answer, take a guess. Quiero agua. Just like we would answer for food when we say I want. So, if you want water, you would say quiero agua. If you don't want water, you could say no quiero agua. No quiero agua. And you can also just simply answer sí, yes, or no for no. I'm not sure if you've ever tried coconut water, but it's very popular in Latin American countries. So, how to say coconut water is agua de coco. Can you say that? Agua de coco. Good job. You can probably find coconut water in your grocery store. Maybe you could ask your parents to buy some for you and give it a try because it's a very popular drink in Latin American countries such as Mexico, Costa Rica. Those are places that I've been, and we love agua de coco. Hola, Pedro. Here's our friend Pedro. He's thinking about agua, or water. So let's ask him, ¿Quieres agua? Do you want water? How would he say, I want water? Quiero agua. That's right. Here's our friend Maria. She's got an empty glass that she's thinking about, so I'm going to assume this means she does not want water. So how would she say, I do not want water? She would say, no quiero agua. Good job. Here's our friend Jose. He's thinking about water. How would he say, I want water? Quiero agua. That's right. Do you remember how to ask him, do you want water? ¿Quieres agua? Good job. Here's our friend Pablo. He's not thinking about water, is he? What is he thinking about? Pizza. That's right. So how would he say, I want pizza? Do you remember? Quiero pizza. That's right. And here's Sophia. It looks like she's thinking of agua de coco. Do you remember what that means? Coconut water. So how would she say, I want coconut water? Quiero agua de coco. That's right. And to be polite, she could say, por favor, or please, when she asks that. So, quiero agua de coco, por favor. Good job, everyone.
Let's sing a fun little song to help us remember what we just learned.
Do you want water? ¿Quieres agua? Yes, I do. Sí, por favor. I want water. Quiero agua. Drink it up. Do you want water? ¿Quieres agua? I want water. Quiero agua. Fresh and cold, it makes us bold. Happy and healthy, young and old. I don't want water. No quiero agua. Are you sure? ¿Estás seguro?
This is the end of the lesson. See you tomorrow.